Okay, so I bought this lip for the S2000. So I'm about to paint it so I can install it. It did come with like some cracks and shit though. What is this stuff, you know? It's probably gonna look really bad on the paint once I paint it. So I could sand it down and make it smooth, but I'm too lazy for that shit. So I'm just gonna put some primer on it and hopefully it gets this out of it. Like, it fills in a little bit, make it look a little better. So this is a C-West lip for the S2000 ap1. So this is what it came with. Some stickers, instructions probably, and more stickers, I believe. So yeah. I think this is to mount it, but I'll probably put some bolts. I'll see once I get on. Right now I'm gonna paint it, and afterwards I'm gonna get on the car and see. Cause I don't think I'm gonna use this only. I'm gonna use some bolts. Okay, if anybody's interested on what paint I'm using, this is the company right here. Just scratchwizard.com or whatever. Now just Google it. They do a really good job at actually matching the paint color on your car. So if you want to fix a fender or something, just put your paint color code or whatever on their website, and then they'll give you the paint. It'll actually match like the actual color. They got the clear coat and shit. So yeah, this is what I'm using. Okay, so I had to break a little bit right here because it didn't fit. Like, this was like this wide all the way to here, and it already cracked right here when I tried to push it in place. So I had to do this shit, and I put the double-sided tape right here, some under it, and I want to put some bolts right there, all the way under the whole thing. Okay, so there it is. I put double-sided tape under it, and then 2 bolts under it. I mean, 2 bolts under it, and then on top I use double-sided tape. Fitment is not the best, as you can see on these parts right here. The middle part it's alright. Just this on the driver's side and passenger side, you just stop both. Here's the bolts, one right here, one on the passenger side. So there it is. That's how it looks. I'm just gonna fill it up with clear silicone right here. If it looks like shit, I'm just gonna paint the silicone. That way it looks like it's molded or something like that. Right. You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any